So I'm working on this new project, and I need a made up continent to do it. So I am making a kind of a scale model of the map over here. So I designed the map, and now I'm going to make a clay sculpture out of it. So clay sculpture of it, and I have a little practice one over here, so it's going to look similar to this guy when I'm done, but of course with a bit more detail. So I'm using this wire mesh, and I want to see how it goes.